So, 2 minutes tayo mag-games. And then perfume. Tignan niyo ako paano mag-Carlos Pulo.
Ako hihiga sa minapag. Para masasagutan ako ng baby. Baby, sabunutan mo na si Dada.
Wait lang guys, sasabunutan ko lang ito.
Ay, kung patama ka.
Daddy ko.
Was serving time in Rawlins, Kansas State Penitentiary for his part in the 1988 bank robbery in which 2 law enforcement officers lost their lives.
So guys, magro-Roblox kami. Magraralo muna kami ni Dylan kahit wala siya dito. Wala talaga siya, kuya-kuya na. Lararo. Tanda ko. Kaya niyo. Kaya niyo. Tsaka to. Kaya mo yun. Tanda ko na be. Panoorin yung dati kong video nung naglalaro kami ni Dylan. Kuya na dad.
Video ko lang.
Is it safe to assume because of the death terms involved and the loss of life of law enforcement officers that the Bureau, the Rangers, and the police force are taking this manhunt personally?
Guys, mag-backflip ako kasama ko kayo.
Ako mo sa baby.
Mag-backflip ako.
Ako mama sa pandi ah.
Mag-backflip na ako.
It's really worth it. You've been, man. Sightseeing. What do you see? Yes, it's over.
Isa pa. Go. Ay ko guys.
Remote.
We gotta get our ass
Oo, dati. Hindi na naman ginamasok ng isa.
No.
Good boy. Both all.
Sigma. At walang gulo. So, may i-video pa ako, guys. So, pinapanood namin.
Aray!
What the fuck is she doing in there?